Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Hello, I'm Willie Ressler, Tournament Director for Special Olympics State Basketball Tournament. We need a lot of volunteers to help us out in the basketball game. Hey, Tom, how's the weather?
Yeah, hey, Willie, and I'm glad you brought that up because there are a lot of volunteers needed, scorekeepers, announcers, helping with things, awards. I mean, you name it. If there's a volunteer that's needed, yeah, can you help out? Because if you can really make it a special couple of days for those Special Olympians, and that is next Friday and Saturday in Minot. So if you'd like to help out, just you can Google Special Olympics North Dakota and get in touch with the folks, and they'd be happy to sign you up. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on in Bismarck right now because it's above freezing, 33 degrees, a little bit breezy, winds out of the southwest at 14 miles an hour. So there's not much of a wind chill. Tiny little wind chill, but not much. In Minot, nearly 40 degrees, 39 right now. Winds out of the south at 13, and so it feels like 31 outside. And in Williston, a lot less snow on the ground. You notice that? 30 degrees in Williston, south-southwest wind at 24. And in Dickinson, the temperature is now 36 degrees. The wind's out of the south-southwest at 20 miles an hour. So here are some of the other temperatures across western North Dakota. And boy, it's definitely been a lot colder around Ashley and Medina and this whole area here. Just much colder air. Didn't really get scoured out yet. But if you look southwestern North Dakota, Bowman, Henniger in the mid-30s right now. Sidney, Montana, mid-30s. Garrison at 34. Rugby has actually even hit 30 degrees, and that's one of the normally colder areas. So here's the wind speed and direction. And it's generally out of the south right now, and roughly 10, 15 to 20 miles an hour as an average. So it has been a little bit breezy. About the only place that hasn't been breezy much today is up along the international border, maybe around Williston, up in Divide County, Burke County, but otherwise it's been just kind of a breezy day. And so when we look at the Cartiva of Minot wind chill map, we can see some single digits above zero still south and east of Bismarck, Linton at 12. So, you know, there's some spots that still feels pretty cold, but for most of us, it really warmed up nicely today. So I want to show you something here because it's going to be pretty decent all the way through Sunday. In fact, even by Sunday afternoon, we still may have some high pressure kind of on top of us for the most part. But a storm that at this point is out in the Gulf of Alaska will be arriving on shore, and by Sunday it might be up just north of British Columbia, in British Columbia there. And by Monday morning, at least according to this particular forecast model, the timing is that it would be roughly in northeastern Montana to the first part of next week. That would be bringing us some snow and maybe some mixed rain and snow or freezing rain in the southwest because it's still going to be pretty warm. We're talking about 30s and 40s this weekend. And so you can see that's Monday morning, and by Monday night that low may be sitting somewhere around the South Dakota-North Dakota border, and we could have more widespread snow. This does not look like a heavy snow event, and it is going to be breezy but not super windy. And then after that moves out of here, some colder air is going to be filtering down out of Canada, and so the temperatures are going to be dropping. Now, the next 72 hours are just terrific in Dickinson. We're talking mid-40s, cooling off to the upper 30s, and even that's still really nice on Sunday. And we'll have more cloud cover by Sunday as well. And the next 72 hours for Williston, we're talking about 40s, a lot of sunshine, just a little bit breezy, maybe mid-30s on Sunday. Tonight, most of the temperatures will be in the teens. There might be some 20s from place to place, but overall teens. And for February, that's not bad. Daytime highs tomorrow, 30s and 40s. Isn't that nice? Take a look at the next 7 days, and we have this warm weather. And again, that snow likely Monday and Tuesday. After that, it cools off. But Lauren and Nicholas, this is the weekend to get out and enjoy.
We will. We sure will.
Thank you, Tom.